Hi, welcome to the Powerhouse Affiliate channel. Today, I want to give an update on the project, the case study for the $10,000 a month challenge, where we're going to try to take a website from zero to $10,000 a month in 6 months. Is it possible? What am I doing? I'm going to give you the updates, how much money I've spent in the last week since starting this project. Wanted to give an update of the steps taken, how much work is involved, so that people can see that this is possible, for one thing, but also how much work it is. And there is no guarantee that at the end of this case study, this site will be making $10,000 a month profit. But hey, it's going to be fun along the way. So if you like that, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, click the like button, and let's get started and let's give you an update. All right, so we're going to go inside and I'm going to show you a presentation of things I've accomplished in the last week, some people I've been speaking to regarding getting this thing underway, also what steps have been taken and how much money. At the end, you're going to see how much I've spent and the results. We do have some revenue coming in. I'm going to talk about that briefly at the end. And so please stick around. It's not going to be a super long video, but it's going to be an update of what we're doing. So let's do the presentation now. Here is the presentation I want to do today. This is update number 2, because last week we did the video on the start of this project. If you didn't watch that yet, please check it out. And in that video, I mentioned that the whole purpose of this is to show the possibility of taking one of our courses here, the affiliate marketing certification course at Powerhouse Affiliate. It describes the process of building a website from scratch, creating a business, and monetizing that website, and then eventually creating traffic for it. These are all the steps I'm going to be taking throughout this case study. And eventually we're going to get into the website traffic. And we've already started to implement some things within the CPA marketing certification course for monetization of the actual website. So we did implement some of the strategies here, and you're going to see some of the minor results we've gotten so far, because again, it's only been a week, but let's get into it now. What have we done so far? So the steps taken since the last video, we added some ad widgets. So just for a quick recap, we got the website from Flippa. The website had a lot of problems with it, so we took some steps to start making this site better. It's almost like an online real estate flip. I like to compare it to that because I've done offline real estate, and today we're talking about online real estate. We're taking a decrepit old website and we're trying to bring it back to life and perhaps maybe sell it someday for much, much more. Okay, so we added the widgets. The ads were added using the Advanced Ads plugin. You can see here, Advanced Ads is a WordPress plugin, and this plugin allows us to insert ads throughout the posts. So this is a free plugin. You can get it for your own WordPress website, and it helps you to manage your ads, basically. So that was the first step. And we don't have any revenue yet from those ads, but you're going to see this at the end that we did get revenue somewhere else. We added the Rank Math SEO plugin. Again, this is another free WordPress plugin that you can use to help improve your SEO. It gives you results of your search console. It connects there. It talks about snippets and schemas and all of that kind of stuff. And it helps you build better posts that are more SEO optimized. So it gives you all the recommendations when you're writing your post on what kind of titles you should be using, what kind of keywords, all of that stuff. You can actually get that free. All the links for these tools are down in the description, and I'll also put the video part 1 there. And you can also check our blog at powerhouseaffiliate.com/blog, where we're also keeping updates of this case study as we continue throughout the summer and keep building this website. Next, what do? We added active banners to the top of all posts. Okay, so this is another thing. We used ChatGPT to do this. Basically went into ChatGPT and said, hey, build us a banner that engages people. So it's not just a banner like your classic traditional banners that nobody clicks on. It's something that engages the user to hopefully get them to convert. So it asks them a couple questions, boom, and then they go to the affiliate offer. This here has not produced any results yet either. Of course, we don't have a lot of traffic on this website yet. So we're going to be monitoring that over the next week or two, and we're going to see if we get some conversions out of that. We analyze the pages with the most traffic to see where opportunity lies. Again, not a lot of traffic. We showed that in the last video. There were 2 posts that were getting a lot of traffic. Well, a lot of the traffic. So relatively speaking, they were getting the most traffic. And so we looked at those posts, but unfortunately they are more informative posts and not posts that are built for converting customers into, sales. So we added a lead capture form on the sidebar. We used Aweber. So Aweber you can use for free up to 500 subscribers. So again, not spending any money yet on these tools. Aweber is an email automation software, and it allows you to collect emails. And we also use this as part of our course in the CPA course, talking about a method of creating campaigns that you can collect emails while at the same time converting CPA offers into commissions. That's where we made the money on this so far, and we're going to talk about that here in a second, but that's the tool we're using to collect emails. Next, updated the 5 main sales pages of this website. They weren't really great, and they're promoting a product and service both through the website through 5 separate pages. So we updated those pages, changed some of the structure of the meta descriptions, and did some simple SEO by adding some alt tags and all of that kind of stuff. All things that we got from our next steps that you're going to see here. Added 2 new pillar pages. These are Powerhouse affiliate landing pages. That way we didn't have to use a plugin. So inside Powerhouse affiliate, you can see that we also have landing page templates. In there we have optimized press templates, but we also have templates you can use in any niche pretty much. There's probably over 30 or 40 different niches and hundreds of available landing pages. These landing pages are easy to edit. There's a video in there describing how to edit these landing pages. So we built 2, it doesn't take long, a couple hours to build 2 landing pages. So it wasn't a lot of work because we already had the templates inside. So we added those and we link those from the main website, because those are going to be the pages that we're sending paid traffic to help speed things along here. We created 2 Google search ads campaigns for these new landing pages. Now, I wanted to reference a video we did last week with Craig Campbell, SEO expert, and in that video he mentioned, and I will pop that video up, he mentioned that by getting traffic to these pages, it does help your SEO as well. Google sees activity, Google sees engagement, and they help bring those pages up more. And he had referenced that in his video when he started doing social media posts about his pages that he wanted to rank higher. It was getting more traffic and he was seeing results. So we're gonna put that to the test, and we're actually actively trying to get these landing pages converting and ranking by paying for traffic to make sure that we can keep optimizing that landing page. Next, we posted a job on Upwork for an SEO tech analysis and repair. We want somebody that can come in and do all the tech work, because it's just a pain in the ass to do by yourself. There's so many little things like adding tags to images. And so basically we just posted the job, and I'll show you what we got out of that. We analyzed the results. There was over 65 applications within 6 hours for this job. The applications just kept coming in, and I was getting flooded with people wanting this job. So basically I analyzed the results and hired one guy. So here we are on Upwork, and on Upwork you can post a job. It's no cost to join Upwork and post your job, but as you continue paying these people, there are fees involved. So Upwork makes money that way. And basically it gives you access to many, many people. And in there, I actually posted a job for SEO specialist, like I said, and got so many people applying that even people were offering free work just to get in the door, to even be considered. So I took advantage of some of the free work where they are doing an inspection of the website. Almost like on offline real estate, we have inspectors come in and they inspect the house and they find all the things wrong with the house before you even start working on it or buying it. So these SEO specialists do the same thing, but they're using software to examine the website. So software like Ahrefs or SEMrush. I actively use SEMrush, so that tool helps find all the things wrong with the website. So I asked the person, two people actually, to do some free analysis because that was part of their job description. So I got some results back from them, and you can see here, we already knew this before, the authority score is about 7 out of 100, which is very low. We have organic traffic of 25 according to the software tools. Looking at other tools like the Search Console, it's a little higher than that, and it's still very terrible for website traffic. We have about 503 backlinks from 105 referring domains. This is going to have to go up a lot more, and we're going to be actively working on that over the coming months, getting more backlinks to our best posts. We need to improve that strategy according to the people that did the research, and of course we already knew this. High quality backlinks are what we're going to need to do, and we're going to talk about how we get those as we continue to update this case study. The website appears for about 193 keywords on Google, and none of them are ranking in the top 3 position. And that's why we're not getting any traffic here. Also, currently 70% of the keywords are ranking for informational keywords. Like I had mentioned before, there's 2 posts that are getting the most traffic, and they're informational. They're people searching for information, but they're not really ready to convert yet. So that's going to be what we focus on, is to try and rank for more transactional keywords, which we talk about also in the Google Ads course, linked down in the description for our Google Ads course, where we talk about informational, transactional, and other types of keywords that you're trying to get people onto your site with. And some of them work better for conversions. So again, we also failed in the page speed insights. So we failed completely. We are actually actively working on that now. We, meaning the person I hired to actually do this stuff, is already actively working on improving so that we get our core web vitals passing, and also working on some of the technical SEO that we had mentioned earlier. So again, here's the results from SEMrush. This is kind of like a baseline. You can see where we're at now. Next video, hopefully this improves, or we're at least working towards improving this so that we bring our authority score up much higher. The thing is, when you increase your authority score, you increase your organic traffic and the number of keywords, you're going to find that the value of your website is going up. While I'm investing money right now, I do have a belief, and a strong belief, that this is going to pay off in the end. Just like when you put a new roof on your house, you put new windows, the value of that house goes up. That's what we're doing here online, and we're trying to make it more valuable. Another problem I mentioned in the last video, again, was that our total clicks in the last 3 months is about 391, meaning we're only getting about 100 clicks a month on this website. So we need to really bump that up. So here we are on the amount of money spent so far and the results. Okay, I have some images here to back up my claims here for people that want to see images, but whatever. So here we go. We spent money and we got some results. We spent $3,000 to get the aged domain, all of the content, and the website. Okay, talked about that last video. SEO reports and analysis cost me $0 because I utilized the free services from Upwork for people that are looking to get this job. There were several people that would provide the SEO reports and analysis free. So if you're going to do this, use Upwork. I think is a good idea. You'll get these free reports. Developed 2 landing pages. Again, didn't cost anything other than my own time because I used templates from the Powerhouse affiliate template library and just turned them into landing pages for this particular niche. Plugins cost me $0 so far because I'm not using any active paid plugins for this project yet. Google Ads, I spent $158.97 testing these 2 landing pages. since February 24th when we started this project. Mind you, the ads have only been running about 2 days because I'm doing the update now. I posted the video last week, and so far I've spent about $158 on 3 campaigns, 3 different campaigns, all going to those 2 landing pages, and we're going to be optimizing as we go. Revenue from the Google ads is $64 so far. So we did get some conversions, which is nice. Okay, well, you can see the 2 conversions here. 1 campaign is profitable out of the gates, which is maybe lucky. Maybe it's lucky because really this is peanuts for spend. Okay, you can't base your results on $158 of spend, but one of the campaigns is in fact profitable. You can see the cost per conversion is around $14.89. So with that in mind, we will make sure that we focus on that campaign and see why that one's working better. But for now, it's still too early to make any major decisions. Revenue from the email list. So we're collecting emails also in these paid ad campaigns. And the whole method is described in the CPA course, like I said, on Powerhouse Affiliate, where we create paid ad campaigns, we collect emails, we do some optimizations, we automate the back end, and we start making money so that we can offset our ad costs. All of that described in that course, so check it out if you're interested. It's down below. It's easy to access. It's $29 to join Powerhouse Affiliate. You get access to all of those courses that we have. We do have the masterclass Google Ads course also linked down below for an extra $97. So the prices for our courses is really low compared to some of the places you find other courses online. Revenue from our SEO is 0. Obviously, right now we're not making any money from that. Revenue from our ad widgets, also 0, though we just added them. So we're going to keep an eye on those, and we're going to see the money coming in below the posts. And on the sidebars, we have some ad widgets that I mentioned before. Lastly, our total profit and loss so far on this project is $3,129.97. And that is mainly because of the price we paid for the website. And basically, if you wanted to do this for much cheaper, you could actually just build the website yourself from scratch, as described earlier. The link is below. But basically, you could do this for much cheaper, probably for hundreds of dollars versus thousands of dollars. So you can see here the conversions from Google. We have commissions earned. This is the email list. The email list has earned $15. 1 conversion, because you can't really see behind my image here. Let me see if I can move it over. It shows that I got 39 emails from the campaign. So 39 emails based on that $158 in spend, plus 2 conversions, plus, 3 conversions. We got an email conversion as well. So we're going to be optimizing this. I'll give some more details as we go through this case study on where most money is being made. We'll talk about the email automation in the back end, all of that, and as well provide more updates as we continue to try to monetize this, both with SEO traffic and paid ads. So next steps, we'll be fixing and updating the technical SEO, like loading speed, FAQ, schema, XML sitemaps. The ads text is missing. All of these things are little technical things that can help your SEO. And all of those things can be found using tools like Ahrefs or SEMrush or other reporting mechanisms. We'll be working on the Google Ads conversion rates and optimizing those campaigns to convert visitors into more customers, also getting traffic to the actual website to help boost our SEO. We'll be doing regular analysis to see the traffic and overall targeted volume. And we're also going to be implementing more ads here from Bing, Facebook, and we're going to run these parallel with our SEO work to try and make this faster. That is why it is probably the 6-month time frame might be a stretch, but we're hoping to do it. And when I say we, it's me hiring people to help me do this through Upwork. We have 1 SEO guy hired so far. So when I say we, it's me and him working on this right now, but it's my money and it's me setting up these paid ad campaigns. And really the paid ad campaign side of it will be me. I am not going to be hiring media buyers for this project because I feel like once I get the site up and running on its own, I'm going to be hiring people to do the technical content SEO stuff. But where I bring value here is in the media buying. And I really think that that's where I want to spend most of my time, is getting this site to a point where either it's making $10,000 profit a month from both SEO and paid so that we can sell it, or just keep running the paid media until those campaigns can be scaled more or whatever it is. But all of these things are things that we're going to be discussing in the coming weeks. So if you want to keep up to date with this, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, post your comments below, and hopefully you have your own insights that you would like to share. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next update.